Why is the European Court of Auditors concerning itself with research?
In times of mounting pressure on the European Union's and the Member States' budgets, high-quality research is essential for European Union's long-term economic prosperity because it contributes to creating and maintaining jobs and growth. By considering our audit findings and by implementing our recommendations, the Commission can improve the efficiency of its management of the current 7th Framework Programme as well as of its successor Horizon 2020, reduce the administrative burden on researchers and thereby make the EU research framework programs more attractive and successful.
And what are the primary concerns for most researchers?
Researchers need to be able to apply for grants based on clear and simple rules without unnecessary administrative burden and taking into account their usual practices. What also matters to them is to have the best proposals selected and the grants awarded and managed fast and consistently by various Commission services. Our audit found that the Commission has introduced a number of simplifications to the FP7 rules for participation and that it has been able to align FP7 provisions with beneficiaries' practices in some cases, but more needs to be done in the future. Some aspects of the Commission's management of FP7 are affected by a lack of coherence, namely as regards alignment of resources and harmonization of tools. Processing times for awarding grants have become shorter, but they have only come down to 9 months in 2012. The quality controls on the selection and follow-up of the projects are functioning well, but the FP7 financial control model does not sufficiently take into account the risk of errors, so that low-risk FP7 researchers are subject to too many controls.
So what are the Court of Auditors' recommendations?
We recommend that the Commission should make further efforts to ensure that in the next EU Research Framework Programme Horizon 2020, beneficiaries can use their usual practices when applying for funding. The Commission should also improve the coherence in its management of the current FP7, automate processes and harmonize distribution of responsibilities between services with a view to reducing processing times. As regards control activities, the Commission should make them more risk-driven so as to better focus its controls and ease the burden on less risky beneficiaries. For the joint technology initiatives, the Commission should, together with the legislative authorities, bring their legal framework more into line with their staff complement. For the risk-sharing finance facility, the Commission should demonstrate that it is targeting beneficiaries with limited access to finance.